Good day BNB community. Today I'll be showing you how to use Chat GPT and Midjourney AI to generate art. The first thing you'll need to do is to type in your prompt in Chat GPT after logging in. Try to make it as clear as possible. I want to create an Afro-futuristic image of an African warrior, so here goes. I had to refresh the page after my first attempt. It should be all good now. Let us wait as it generates the prompt. Yeah, I know my voice sounds like a bot in this clip. That's my overdub voice which I created using this amazing tool called Descript. Maybe I'll talk about that in another clip. It is an amazing tool that helps my team and I be more efficient. If you're keen on seeing this video, kindly let me know in the comments section and I'll get it done subsequently. Let us wait a while for the prompt to finish generating. After the prompt finishes generating, you can copy it and head over to Discord. I will drop a link in the description down below so you can have access to Discord on the bold and beautiful community server. Once you've copied it, head on to the server. Type /imagine then select the one for Midjourney. After that, you should paste the prompt generated from Chat GPT. Now hit the enter button and wait for it to load. The time it takes depends on your network and how busy the server is, I guess, so let us give it a moment. While that is loading, I'd love to have your 2 cents on AI as a whole. Do you think it will take over our jobs? Do you think it is bad for creatives to use it? Or do you think we should be using AI tools to speed up our work process? I'd love to get your honest opinion in the comments section. I'll be waiting to interact with you all. Please, if you haven't liked and subscribed by now, I recommend you do so. By doing so, you'll be able to see other amazing content we have on the way. The artworks are pretty much ready. Aren't you excited to see what Midjourney has cooked up? Well, it usually generates 4 artworks for you to choose from, or make variations from. From here you can click on the images and save them. I like the first one, so I'll click on U1, which stands for Upscale 1. Then I will wait for it to load. This might also take a while, so let's wait. As it is upscaling, you can also save the collage of the 4 images by clicking on it. Then click on Open in Browser. Then you can save image as. This now saves the collage. Let us now go back to see the progress. It still hasn't finished yet, so let's wait a bit more. The other buttons V1 to 4 all make variations of the artwork. Let's say for instance you want to make a variation of the 3rd artwork. You should click V3. Now the artwork has finally started processing. Let us wait for it to clear up. Then now we click the image. Open with browser. And save as. Now the image has been saved. You can now use it for whatever purpose you intend to use it for. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't and drop a comment. Let me know if you would like to see more videos like this. Love and light from the community.